Hello, for those of you who don't know me, I am Dr. Barbara Brockway. I'm a biochemist and I'm a past president of the SCS. Now, as a biochemist, I got so excited when I was introduced to ashwagandha because just as you have caffeine in coffee, ashwagandha has withadenids. And the withadenids are molecules that are very, very potent and do all sorts of exciting things. Now, it's extremely well known in the health supplement world, where you'll see this is a Holland & Barrett product, and you'll see that there's actually KSM 66 ashwagandha on the label. If you're taking supplements, if you've got KSM 66 ashwagandha on the label, then you know you are getting the very best ashwagandha in the world. Now, what is ashwagandha? Well, ashwagandha is a herb that's used in Ayurvedic medicine. It's a plant. The root is the part of the plant that you use. The root has to be grown carefully, ground into a powder, and then extracted using green chemistry principles. The extract is then dried, and this is the powder that you get. As a biochemist who's really interested in innovative active ingredients, I find ashwagandha absolutely fascinating. It dissolves in water very easily. It produces a characteristic colour, and it does worry me that not all ashwagandhas have that characteristic colour. The word ashwagandha means power of 100 horses, very low odour, and as I say, very easy to formulate with. So in the personal care industry, two main areas. If we look at it in skincare, we can see that it actually helps barrier repair, lowers transepidermal water loss, encourages collagen and even skin tone. So when we look at it from hair care, we see that it actually makes the hair thicker and actually stays stronger in the scalp. So it's got two important uses, but the main use of ashwagandha is in healthy aging. So for brands that are thinking about the trend for inside-outside beauty, remember, this is king in the world of supplement. So we know that it will help with health when taken internally, and of course now with the studies we've done on skin and hair, we can see that it's going to be useful topically. So now you know about ashwagandha as a herb, let's talk a little bit about KSM 66 ashwagandha as a company. This is a family-owned company. They own the farms, they own the whole supply chain, from the plants that are planted and grow right the way through to when the roots, which you see here, when the roots are collected, cleaned, turned into a powder and extracted, and then the extract is turned into a powder, and they only use green chemistry principles to make their extract. It's fully transparent, very, very sustainable. We talked about the bags at the beginning. That shows that they really do look after the people that work with them. They look after the school, the hospital, and they look after everybody. So it ticks all the boxes that we like to tick, we have to tick in the world of personal care. So now you know about ashwagandha, why not come and meet us at In Cosmetic Global? You'll find us on stand 2A10 and come and try the products.